Hi, I'm Certified Arborist Dan Riggs. If you live in Gilbert, Arizona, and your trees are starting to look a little wild or overgrown, you're not alone. Keeping trees healthy in our desert climate takes skill and experience, and that's our specialty. Overgrown trees can block sunlight, damage roofs, and even become a hazard during storms. And when branches hang too low or start growing near power lines, they can put your property and your family at risk. That's why proper tree trimming and maintenance are so important here in Gilbert, Arizona. We're proud to be a local, family-owned business serving Gilbert, Chandler, Mesa, and the entire Phoenix metro area. Our team is made up of certified arborists, tree experts, and experienced professionals who know exactly how to keep your trees healthy, safe, and looking their best. We're fully insured, 5-star rated, and we always put our customers first. We offer a full range of tree trimming services, including tree trimming and pruning for better growth and curb appeal, tree removal when a tree becomes unsafe or diseased, stump grinding to remove the stump from your property, deep root tree feeding to beautify, protect, and grow your valuable trees, and even cactus and saguaro removal, perfect for keeping your Arizona landscape looking beautiful. Every job is done carefully, safely, and professionally, and we leave your property spotless when we're done with your tree trimming service. Homeowners across the Phoenix metro area trust us because we treat every property like it's our own. We show up on time, we work safely, and we make sure that you're happy with the results. So whether you've got a single tree that needs trimming or an entire property that needs tree care, we've got you covered. We take pride in helping Gilbert homeowners keep their properties safe, beautiful, and well-maintained. If you're looking for tree trimming in Gilbert, Arizona, visit gilberttreetrimmers.com or just give us a call today at 480-332-0462 to schedule your free estimate. Don't wait for a storm to break branches or uproot your tree. Call us today to get your trees trimmed safely and professionally. Call 480-332-0462 or visit gilberttreetrimmers.com, your trusted local experts for tree trimming in Gilbert, Arizona.